In this video, we are going to study about how to print the sum of left diagonal elements and right diagonal elements in two-dimensional array. So first step, we need one two-dimensional array. Here we are taking 3 by 3. The size is 3 by 3. That means 3 rows and 3 columns are there. Okay, so first we have to declare the array. Data type is int, then array name to subscript equal to new, again give data type, then 3 rows and 3 columns are there. Okay, now declaration over. Next we're going to input the elements. Okay, enter elements into array. So we need a nested loop here. First outer loop for number of rows and inner loop for number of columns. Okay, then each row and column is start with 0. So here you have to give I equal to 0. For that, give the message system dot out dot println enter elements. Okay, then next here row start with 0, then last row is in last row is 2. Okay, 3 by 3 array, how many rows? 3 rows and 3 columns. Since we are starting with the 0, we have to give the condition I less than 3 or I less than equal to 2. Now outer loop over. Next inner loop, it is also starting with 0. Then here also condition j less than 3, then j plus plus. Next we are going to input, so array name, then variable, loop variable, inner loop and outer loop equal to in dot next int. Okay, now we input the array elements. Next we are going to find the sum of the left diagonal and right diagonal elements. So here I am giving the example. Suppose this is our array with 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here what is the left diagonal, sum of left diagonal? 1 is in 0, 0th position, 5, 1, 1, 9 is 2, 2. These are the positions of the left diagonal elements. Okay, so when we do the sum of left diagonal equal to 1 plus 5 plus 9. Okay, 15. Then right diagonal equal to 2 plus 3, 3 plus 5 plus 7. Okay, that is also 15. Okay, so here on the position of left diagonal elements, so what will be the condition? The elements are present when I and j are same. So left diagonal elements are present in the position 0, 0, 1, 1 and 2, 2. But right diagonal element 3 is in the position 0th row and column 2. 0, 2 is the position of 3. Then the position of 5 is 1, 1. Position of 7 is 2, 0. Okay. So when we add I and j, we are getting 2. That means if it is n by n array, the sum of the right diagonal elements are present in I plus j equal to n minus 1 position. Okay, so 0 plus 2 is 2, 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 0 is 2. Now we are going to give the condition for left diagonal and right diagonal elements. So again, we have to give the loop. Okay, since it is already given, now you can copy and paste it. Okay, inside the loop, what is the condition? If I equal to j, uh, we did not declare a variable. Here we have to give ld equal to 0 for storing the left diagonal elements. LD equal to 0 and RD for storing the right diagonal elements. Okay, next here I and j, if I and j are same, LD equal to LD plus array of ij. Then condition for right diagonal element, if I plus j equal to 2, since it is 3 by 3 array, this is the condition. If it is n by n array, I plus j equal to n minus 1. Then equal to, then rd equal to rd plus array of ij. Okay, now find the sum of the left diagonal and right diagonal elements. Next we have to print it. So print, first before that we have to print the array. Okay. Again we have to paste it. Inside that, print the two-dimensional array. Print array of ij close the inner loop. Then again to come to the next line, row wise we are printing. Okay, then that means here when I equal to 0, inner loop will print inner loop 3 times will execute. Then when I equal to 1, again it will execute 3 times. Then when I equal to 2, again it will, inner loop will execute 3 times. That means after printing, that means row wise we are printing. Okay, next is we have to print the sum of the left diagonal and right diagonal elements. Okay. Left diagonal plus LD, then sum of right diagonal. Okay, now compile it. No error. We have to run the program now. So here we're supposed to enter 9 elements. 9 elements. So first we printed the array, then some of the left diagonal elements. It is 15. 1 plus 5 plus 9, it is 15. Then sum of right diagonal elements, it is 3 plus 5 plus 7, it is also 15. Okay.